everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're making a stress ball. You're gonna need some flour, a funnel, 2 balloons, and some scissors. Now let's get started. First thing you need to do is cut the balloon. The balloon we cut it is the one that's gonna be on the outside. Now we need to put the other balloon on a funnel. Then we're gonna get our flour and put some flour into the funnel. I'm doing a little bit at a time, but you can do all of it. We're gonna put the flour in so it can go in the balloon. Now, it might be hard to get in, so you can push it in with a spoon or a fork. And even though it doesn't seem like it's going in, it actually is. You can also take some flour out of the stem of the balloon and it will just be just fine. But if it still doesn't go out, you can poke the end of a spoon or fork in the hole so it can all go pushed in. We're gonna do this until the balloon is full. After that, we're almost done. So we got our balloon and we tied it next to the balloon we cut it. We're gonna put it on. It might be a little bit hard. Just after a little bit of practice, you'll get it. This is also a good hand exercise. I wanted the pink balloon to be on the outside, so I cutted the pink balloon. We're done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.